Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the 7 vital parts of your body that you need to protect at all costs during an incident. We never want to think about facing a dangerous situation, but being prepared can make all the difference. Knowing how to protect yourself, knowing what to prioritize, it's not about living in fear, it's about being empowered. So let's get started. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. All right, let's start with the most obvious one. Your head. This is where the magic happens, folks. Your brain, the command center of your entire body, resides here. It controls everything from your thoughts and emotions to your heartbeat and breathing. Now, imagine your brain as this incredibly complex computer with billions of neurons firing signals every second. It's delicate, it's intricate, and it needs protection. That's where your skull comes in, your natural helmet. But even with that bony protection, impacts can still cause serious damage. We're talking concussions, traumatic brain injuries, the works. These injuries can have long-lasting consequences affecting your memory, your speech, your motor skills, everything. So how do you protect your head? Well, in a dangerous situation, always try to shield your head with your arms. If possible, try to move away from the immediate danger. And of course, always wear a helmet when engaging in activities where head injuries are a risk. Think biking, skateboarding, even construction work. Remember, protecting your head isn't just about avoiding bumps and bruises. It's about safeguarding your entire being. Let's move on to our windows to the world, our eyes. These incredible organs allow us to perceive light, color, shapes, everything we see around us. They're incredibly complex and remarkably delicate. Think about it. Your eyes are constantly bombarded with information, light waves bouncing off objects and entering your eyes, where they're transformed into electrical signals that your brain can understand. It's a continuous process that allows us to experience the beauty of the world, but because they're so exposed, our eyes are vulnerable. Dust, debris, even a stray finger can cause irritation and damage. And in a dangerous situation, the risk of eye injury increases significantly. Imagine flying debris, harmful chemicals, anything that could potentially come into contact with your eyes. The consequences can be severe. Scratched corneas, infections, even vision loss. So how do we protect these precious organs? First and foremost, if you know you're going to be in a situation where your eyes might be at risk, wear protective eyewear, safety glasses, goggles, whatever is appropriate. And in an emergency, try to shield your eyes with your hands or arms. If you do get something in your eye, don't rub it. Flush it out with clean water or saline solution if you have it. Protecting your eyes is about protecting your ability to see and experience the world around you. Don't take it for granted. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of your body, your neck. It might seem like just a connector between your head and your torso, but it plays a vital role in keeping you alive and functioning. Think about it. Your neck houses your spinal cord, a superhighway of nerves that carries messages between your brain and your body. It also contains major blood vessels responsible for supplying your brain with oxygen-rich blood. Any injury to your neck has the potential to be incredibly serious, even life-threatening. We're talking about spinal cord injuries that can lead to paralysis, damage to blood vessels that can restrict blood flow to the brain. It's not something to take lightly. So how do we protect this vital area? Well, in a dangerous situation, try to keep your head tucked in, chin slightly down, to protect your neck from impact. Avoid sudden movements or putting your neck in a vulnerable position. And of course, always wear appropriate safety gear if you're engaging in activities where neck injuries are a risk. Think contact sports, motorcycle riding, anything that could put your neck in harm's way. Remember, your neck is a lifeline, not just for your head, but for your entire body. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Moving down to the chest, we're talking about the engine room of your body. This is where your heart and lungs reside, working tirelessly to keep you alive and kicking. Your heart, a powerful muscle, pumps blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Your lungs, these amazing organs, take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide, ensuring that your body has the fuel it needs to function. Without these two vital organs, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. But because they're so essential, your heart and lungs are also incredibly vulnerable. Any trauma to your chest can have devastating consequences. We're talking about rib fractures that can puncture your lungs, blunt force trauma that can damage your heart. So, how do we protect this vital area? In a dangerous situation, try to shield your chest with your arms, creating a barrier between your body and potential impact. If possible, try to curl up into a ball, protecting your chest with your back and limbs. And of course, always wear appropriate safety gear if you're engaging in activities where chest injuries are a risk. Think contact sports, motorcycle riding, anything that could put your chest in harm's way. Remember, protecting your chest is about protecting the very essence of your being. Let's talk about the abdomen, often overlooked but critically important. This area houses a complex network of organs that keep your body functioning smoothly. We're talking about your digestive system, responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, your liver, working tirelessly to filter your blood and remove toxins, your kidneys, filtering waste products from your blood and producing urine, your spleen, an important part of your immune system, and of course your intestines, responsible for absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste. It's a delicate ecosystem, and any trauma to the abdomen can have serious consequences. We're talking about internal bleeding, organ damage, infections. It's not something you want to mess with. So how do we protect this vital area? In a dangerous situation, try to tense your abdominal muscles. This can help to absorb some of the impact. If possible, try to shield your abdomen with your arms or by curling up into a ball. And of course, always wear appropriate safety gear if you're engaging in activities where abdominal injuries are a risk. Think contact sports, motorcycle riding, anything that could put your abdomen in harm's way. Remember, protecting your abdomen is about protecting a vital part of your body's intricate workings. Moving on to the spine, the literal backbone of your body. This intricate structure provides support, allows for movement, and protects your spinal cord, that vital communication pathway between your brain and your body. Think of your spine as a series of interconnected bones called vertebrae, stacked one on top of another. Between each vertebra are discs that act as shock absorbers, cushioning the impact of your movements. But as strong as your spine is, it's not indestructible. Falls, impacts, even poor posture can lead to spinal cord injuries, herniated discs, and chronic back pain. And a serious spinal cord injury can have life-altering consequences, potentially leading to paralysis or loss of sensation. So how do we protect this vital structure? Well, maintaining good posture is key. Stand tall, sit straight, and avoid slouching. Regular exercise, especially core strengthening exercises, can help to support your spine and prevent injuries. In a dangerous situation, try to avoid any sudden movements that could put your spine at risk. If possible, try to brace yourself for impact by tensing your core muscles. And of course, always wear appropriate safety gear if you're engaging in activities where spinal injuries are a risk. Think contact sports, motorcycle riding, anything that could put your spine in harm's way. Remember, protecting your spine is about protecting your ability to move freely and live a full and active life. Let's talk about our joints, those often overlooked heroes that allow us to move and live our lives to the fullest. From knees and elbows to wrists and ankles, joints are essential for everything we do. Imagine your joints as perfectly engineered hinges, allowing for smooth, fluid movement. They're where bones meet, but they're so much more than just points of connection. Cartilage, ligaments, tendons, synovial fluid, it's a complex symphony of tissues working together. As we age or stress our joints, this balance can be disrupted. Arthritis, sprains, strains, dislocations, all can limit mobility and cause pain. So how do we protect these vital structures? Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as excess weight stresses our joints. Regular exercise, especially low-impact activities, strengthens muscles supporting our joints. Always wear appropriate safety gear during activities that risk joint injuries. Protecting your joints ensures you stay active and engaged in life for years to come. Thanks for watching. Remember, protecting these vital parts of your body can make all the difference in an emergency. Being aware of your surroundings, knowing how to react, and taking simple precautions can significantly reduce your risk of serious injury. We've covered a lot today, but the most important takeaway is this. Your body is your most valuable asset. It's the vessel that carries you through life, allowing you to experience all the joys and wonders this world has to offer. So treat it with respect, protect it from harm, and it will serve you well for years to come. Stay safe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.